this is a bad idea. Oh shit. ATEEZ in the building. Work. Getting this work. It's called work, right? I saw I think I saw, was it a clip or a picture of them with J Balvin? Oh my god, I would love a collab with ATEEZ and J Balvin. Oh my god, ATEEZ, Bad Bunny, please. I don't know what to expect. I don't think I'm gonna survive this. Without further ado, let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. I'm just mentally preparing myself. You know damn well I won't be able to. KQ Entertainment. What the hell? Oh, we good? Okay, Cowboys. Yeah. Oh shit! Hey, thank you for subscribing. Thank you for gifting us up, Tifa. Gotta work. No, no. You can't just be. You just can't start like that. What the hell? I can't take you seriously. I can't take you seriously. What the hell? Wait, first where? Oh, his hands were already out. I see. I didn't even notice that. I was just looking at his head. What the hell? Gotta work. Gotta make that money make purse. Gotta work, so I make it purr. Hey. Give them a flash when they see me earn. Ooh, 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 ooh. Gotta make that money make purse. Make purse. Gotta work, so I make it purr. Hey, hey. Yeah. Hold on. I know I was bumping it. I didn't even pay attention to the music video. Let me go again. Oh, this is definitely on the playlist. Bro, how do you make song of the year out of nowhere, bro? You ATEEZ, that's why. Make purse. Gotta work. Gotta make that money make purse. Make purse. Get the perks, get them perks, get them perks, get them. Bro, I want to rap to this. Nah, what the fuck? What the hell? What the hell? Whoa. How you gonna come in right on a fucking ostrich, my dude? Is that real? That can't be real. First of all, I just noticed that there's dollar bills in these burgers. Give me one of them. I need to pay bills. But I gotta work. That's not real. That can't be real. That can't be real. It's not. It's not. Damn. 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 Oh, Flamingo. Adios. Ooh. Hey. 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 Bro, his voice is just in my ear ringing. I'm just letting you know. Ew. Is that clown it in one of those cards? Bro, I'm gonna probably pause. Did he just eat a gold? Bro, there's so much to look at. I'm just trying to bounce this beat. Yep. Gotta work. Woo! My chat warned me that there's Willy Wonka Bingy. My chat warned me that it was Willy Wonka Mingy. My god. No. Sexy ass Willy Wonka. I would never say that to anybody else. But Mingy, it's an exception. Work. Gotta make that money make purse. Make it purr. Gotta make that money make purse. Hey. Get the perks, get the perks. Gotta work. Ooh. Gotta make that money make purse. Ooh. Hey. There's too many jokes in this. There's too many jokes in this right now. There's too many things to talk about right now. He got the golden egg, bro. What the hell did I just look at? Where'd you plug that in? What the bruh, what? I love this. Hey! 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 How I wish to be that chicken. Why the chicken side eyeing me like, yeah, bitch, I wish you was. I can't even talk. He said like, yeah, bitch, you wish you were me right now, huh? That chicken is fucking side eyeing my ass. I will fight a chicken. No, I wouldn't. I'll get my ass beat.
Gotta work, gotta make that money make first. Gotta work, so I make you purr.
Wait, is that BCD? In the background? Or they at BCD?
Gotta make that.
Oh, hell nah. They in my neighborhood. I know that exact area. What the fuck?
Money make first. Gotta work,
BCD Tofu House where everybody eats after a clubbing or a concert? Hey. Not the GTA reference. Wait, who's in the golden egg? Why are we looking at the golden egg? Boy, you better sing. Woo! Hey, hey, hey! Hey, hey, hey! God, what we cracking into? What we cracking into? I can't take it seriously. I love it. My God, how do you define flexing, getting hype, but also in a not taking serious type of way? This is exactly what you get. What the hell? Replay. I gotta, bruh. I never noticed. Wait, even. Bruh, I can't take it. Woo! Make that work. Hey, hey. Hey. Make perk. Make a perk. Get them perks. Get them perks. Pick them perks. Hold up, I gotta twerk to this.
gotta make that money make first. Gotta work, so I'm earning. Gotta work, gotta make that money. 착착 준비되는 golden plate.
Bro, this is so hard though.
움직이면 뒷다리지 Guardians. 어딜 가도 뛰어나와 breaking news. 하루 종일 내 노래가 나와 radio.
Got me up. And then he spit with that. Hey, 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 hey.
That money make purse. Gotta focus so I make it purr. Keep on refresh when they see me earn.
Hey, 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 gotta work, hey.
Gotta make that money make purse. Gotta focus so I make it purr. Gotta get that credit, get purr.
Gotta work.
Gotta make that money make
purse. Bruh, everybody want to be that chicken right now. Everybody trying to fight that chicken. That chicken knows. They know. First of all, this Ostra's vibing. I don't know how I feel about that scene. I don't know how I feel about that scene. Hey, hey.
My critics on a different bit. Chasing that don't want like me.
Ooh, ooh, get into it. If you're not dancing to this, then what are you doing?
Gotta work, gotta
Hey, hey, hey.
Gotta work. Gotta make that money, make purse. Gotta focus so I make it back. Gotta get that credit, get perk.
Hey, hey, hey. Gotta work. Hey. Get it, get it.
우린 지금 하늘 저 위로. You can find me where I stand.
Woo.
Gotta make that money,
Make
make
purse.
purse.
Damn, son. Saw that.
Money, make purse.
Bro, they were having fun making this. Who directed this? Who directed this?
Money, make purse. Gotta make that money, make.
Whew, girly pop. ATEEZ came with that fire, a fun music video, got me up and dancing. Gotta make that money, make purse. That line right there. Gotta work, gotta make my. Fuck, I'm tired. Get too old for this, bro.
Gotta work. Gotta make that money, make purse. Gotta focus so I make it purse. Gotta get that credit, get perk. Gotta.
This beat for the hoes. Not many will agree with that, but this beat for the hoes. ATEEZ, you always know how to have a good time. That's all I gotta say with your music and music videos. Put a comment down below what you guys think of ATEEZ's work. I'm pretty sure if you're watching this reaction, you're gonna love it. Music video, dope. Song, got me twerking, got me moving. That's all I need. I'm gonna put this in my K-WAP playlist. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Check out my Patreon, and yeah, peace.